What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got here a 1986 Honda ATC250R with a CT Racing 310 big bore, CT Racing pipe, silencer, billet stator cover, billet clutch cover, CT ported 310 cylinder with a custom head. Get her out on the track. This track has been beat by quads, so the first few laps are just trying to get this three-wheeler to find some kind of groove, because we got the quad grooves and they were definitely worn in with 20s. This thing's got 18s on it, skid plates hanging up in the ruts, but we power on through it and have some fun on the track. Give this thing a good shakedown, blow it out, ride it kind of hard. Now it's got stock suspension in it. It's a little on the squishy side. Definitely use a upgrade in the front end, upgrade in the rear end. It's widened, it's got spacers. Thing handles great. Suspension's just a little on the squishy side. Been a long time since we've had a three-wheeler on the track. Been a while since I've been on a three-wheeler on the track, so yeah. Takes a couple of laps to get used to. Only doing a few laps. Give this thing a good rip. Little pooch chasing the bike. It's always kind of funny. But yeah, we were hoping to get the Z out here and have the Z and the R racing side by side, but the Z didn't want to run. She ran for a little bit, shut off. So we're fighting with that one to get it running again. The 310 motor definitely has the power to pull out of corners if you're a little bit low in the RPMs, unlike the 250s where you got to rev them up. Had quite a bit of fun running it though. Need to find a new cameraman. Yeah, it is a pretty sunset, but yeah. Good cameraman's hard to find, that's for sure. You guys haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you liked the video, go ahead and slap around that like button. Make sure you change it some colors. Throw a comment in there. Tell me what you think of the ride video. You guys like the three-wheelers? You like the quads? Tell me what you like. You got something to ride? You want to ride around? Let me know. A little bit of a bobble there. This thing will definitely throw a roost out of the corners, that's for sure. It's got a good straight line pull. Little bouncy through the whoops there. And that jump is tore up. There's no throw anymore. Alright, y'all have a great night. Appreciate the views, especially if you made it this far.